Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to our channel once again. So today's video request is how to use AI with Canva. So let's get right onto it. Okay, so the AI that we're going to use today is no other than ChatGPT. It has been a very hot topic recently, and we're not really that surprised because we all know how amazing ChatGPT's capabilities are. So we're going to leverage those awesome capabilities, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to help us create content that we can convert into awesome visuals using no other than Canva. So let's get right onto it. For today's example, we're going to pretend that we have a social media page about food, just in today's example. To keep our page up and running, we of course need content to put out. And apart from posting cooking videos, which usually takes a long time to make, we can also incorporate different types of posts, but still relevant to our niche. So say for example, trivias and quotes, just to keep our audience engaged. So let's try to ask ChatGPT to help us create that content. So I'm going to try to feed a prompt here to ChatGPT. Okay, so here's the prompt that I'm going to feed ChatGPT. I'm going to read it for you. So can you give me the 5 best trivias related to food and cooking? Can you rank them in order? And can you also give me some active links or sources that I can check and read? Can you also make it into a table format? I actually have something I'd like to add. Um, can you rank them with number 1 being the best? Okay, let's see what ChatGPT can give us. Okay, so this is actually just a very simple prompt. Of course, you can get creative with yours so that you'd be able to help ChatGPT give you the response that you're really looking for. So far, this is what I've found, and I like that it gave me some sources, which I also asked it to do. But let's try to see if these sources still work. Okay, well, unfortunately, they don't. But in that case, no worries. You can actually just do a quick Google search here using the keywords inside the trivia question. The reason why it's important for me to also include the source is because we also need to properly credit the source and verify, most importantly, the source. Because no matter how awesome ChatGPT is, it did say that it also has limitations, and its knowledge is only up to 2021. So it doesn't have any knowledge about 2022 and all the years onwards. So it's important to double check the facts that it gives us so that we can also verify it and confirm that it's accurate. And yeah, say for example, we're going to use this one. So we're going to now turn this into a post. We're going to go to Canva, and then we're going to try to type in here Instagram post, because say for example, we're running an Instagram account for food. So we're going to type in Instagram post here, square. And here on the templates page, we can choose whatever templates we'd like to use. I'd like to use this one. We're just going to choose a random template today. And let's click on customize this template. Okay, and here we are. In case you'd like to change your template, go to the side panel over here and choose a template that you like. And if you're looking for a specific template, just type it in here on the search bar. So say for example, in my case, I'm going to search for trivia, as always. And I am going to select a trivia template that looks nice also. How about this one? So did you know? And then we are going to type these questions. I'm actually gonna ask ChatGPT to provide the answers to these trivia. So let's give it a try. Okay, so here it is. So yeah, we're just gonna work with this now. They're not the best trivias, unfortunately, but you can tweak your prompt to help ChatGPT give you the exact response that you want. This isn't unfortunately what I wanted, but we're gonna work with it. Just to show you an example. So say for example, this one, um, it's really hard. So yeah, nothing that interests me here. We're gonna try to work with this one. So I'm gonna copy it, put it right over here, and it's too big. So we're gonna resize it. And we're gonna change the photo here. Oh, by the way, we're gonna copy the answer over here. And I'm gonna change, oh, hold on, we're gonna look for elements first. So sweet potato photos. Let's say, for example, let's go to Pexels because most of their photos are free. Say, for example, that one, we're gonna place that inside a frame later on. And yam. Nope, they don't have yam over here. Let's go to Pixabay. Okay, and if you're wondering how I got these two over here, you can find them on the apps button. Scroll down and you'll find Pexels and Pixabay right over here. Okay, I'm gonna go to elements once again. So we're gonna put this over here. I'm gonna use this circular frame and I'm gonna insert this here. Have another one and insert this right over here. Oopsie. Okay. And we're going to delete these unnecessary elements. Perhaps we could do something like this. Oh, and let's not forget the source. And you can put the source over here. Okay. And then we're going to try to change the background color. Perhaps this one's okay. And now I'm going to press C on my keyboard. Add this circle over here and overlap it. Send it backward. Change its color to something else. Perhaps that one. Or no. Perhaps that one's okay. And we're going to try to duplicate this element by pressing this button. And then send it backwards again. Make it slightly bigger and make sure it's properly aligned. Okay, and I'm going to change the color of this font. So let's do that. Let's change all these fonts' color to something darker. And maybe we could also change the font. We can probably group these, so press Ctrl plus G. And then maybe we could add some elements to our design. Okay, that should probably do it. We don't really have the exact source, but just say, for example, you found out the exact source, go over here and do it like that. We're just going to adjust things so that we're going to make them all fit. Okay, that should do it. So now we've got our new post. And you can actually do a lot more with ChatGPT and Canva, really. So this is just a very simple example that I showed you today. Apart from those trivias, you can also use quotes or top tens. You can use the top 10 list that you have, create a script out of it, and then create a video, a top 10 video using Canva as well. Let me show you how you can do that. Say, for example, you have your top 10 list over here and you've finally also done your research, make sure that things are accurate, and you've finally created a script for it as well. Then you can go to Canva and you can actually edit videos here. Although the features of Canva's video editor are not as complex as, let's say, for example, Filmora or any other popular video editing software out there, it's still very workable. And what I like about it is that you can add lots of graphic elements to it. So let's give it a try. So here on our home page, we're going to go to create a design, and we're going to type in YouTube video. We're going to find YouTube video from the drop down and click on it. So this is what the video editor in Canva looks like. It looks, yeah, similar to what we usually see every day. So you can click on this arrow button and it'll be the same layout as we always use, well, when creating designs. So we're gonna click on this again to show our timeline, and here it is. So in case you'd like to use your own videos, go to the upload section, upload your video files first by clicking this button, and once they're uploaded, they're gonna show up over here, but under the videos category. So say, for example, this one. Okay, and if you'd like to add it as background, just right click and set video as background. Now, if you want to trim your video, just click on this. You'll see the number of seconds of your video over here on its lower left. So click on that, and this will show up over here. You can trim your video by inputting values over here inside the box, or you can also trim it using these like purple trim buttons over here. Say, for example, let's just do a quick example. 3 seconds would be okay, I think. And then we're going to click on done. Okay, and now we're going to try to add a text. So just press T on your keyboard. And here's your text box. You can also go to add text over here. Add a text box or look for templates here, text templates. Okay, we're going to use text templates instead. And here it is. Okay, we're going to put here top. And this one would be 10. And then we're going to change the color to white. Okay. And as you can see, our video is, our text cannot really be like 100% visible. So we're going to try to add effects to it right over here and choose an effect, whatever effect you'd like to use. I'd like to use lift so that I'd be able to see the text better on top of the video. Okay, there you go. So top 10. And you can also add animated effects to your text. So click on animate over here. Okay, what about pan? And pan, but this time to the right. Just this one, please. Okay. All right, let's try to play it. Okay, to add another video, go to this button over here and click on it. And then add another video. Go back to the upload section and add another video. I don't have any other videos here, so just say, for example, this video. We're going to right click on it, set video as background, and then trim the video to about 2 seconds. Or we could just simply type that over here. And make sure to click on done. Okay? And if we hover over here, we'll be able to see the option to add a page or to add a transition. We're going to try to add a transition. Choose any transitions you'd like to use. Okay, so now let's try to play it. Okay, I think it looks nice. And in case you'd like to add an audio file, then you'd have to upload your own audio file first. So go to the upload section, audio. If it's not uploaded yet, then click on upload files. And once it's uploaded, you'll find it here. I don't have any audio files, so we're gonna work with this one, for example. So we're gonna drag it onto our design and it'll be added right over here. In case you'd like to edit your audio, go to the very end of your audio file and click on this three dot buttons. Yeah, 3-dot button. And then here you'll be able to access tools to edit your audio. You can adjust it, add audio effects, adjust the volume, duplicate the track, or delete the track. I'm going to try to adjust the volume. I think it's quite a loud music. It's the same music that I play over and over again in Canva as an example. And then we're going to try to see what it looks like. Okay, there. In case you'd like to add special elements, go to elements over here and add any element you want. As for me, I'd like to add animated effects. So these, for example, I'm going to add this over here. Okay. And then we're going to add an animated effect to it. So animate. Choose whatever effect you'd like to use. Okay, now let's see how it looks like. All right, so basically just keep on adding clips and audio, add elements if you need to, and yeah, eventually you'll finish your video and you're gonna be ready to upload it to YouTube. And in case your video's all set, go to share again, download, make sure to select MP4 as your file type, adjust other download settings according to your preferences as well, and click on download. And you'll be ready to share your video once it's downloaded. You can go to YouTube to do that and to do the uploading process. And yeah, that's how you create a video in Canva, and that's also how you can use ChatGPT. Let me just tell you, there are so many things you could do with ChatGPT. You can actually ask it to create a recipe for you, depending on what ingredients you have at home, which is, I think, very useful, and many, many more, actually. So yeah, for now, this is the only thing that I could share, and somehow we really hope that you found today's video of help. So in case there are other things that you'd like to share to other people, we'd love to hear that and we'd love to learn that as well. So please feel free to share them with us. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next one. You have a great day.